So today we want to take a look at vectors, and here we have a vector at 35 degrees from the y-axis, and let's just go ahead and call it 1 unit long. What we want to find is the I and j components. So those I and j components will be in the x direction will be the I component, and in the y direction will be the j component. And we want to figure out what those are. So as you can see, just using a simple trig, is that the I component is going to be the sine of 35 degrees. So let's go ahead and write sine 35 degrees is our I component plus cosine of 35 degrees is our j component. Now, as you can see in the picture, I is in the negative x direction, so we're just going to go ahead and put a negative on that. Now, as these are just 1 unit, it's like we're multiplying by 1. So this is like 1 times these values. But since it's just 1, we can assume that that's there and we don't need to actually write it. So let's calculate what these actually are. So this is negative 0.574 in the I direction. And this is 0.819 in the j direction. Now, let's take a look at, say, what if instead of our vector being 1 unit long, it being, I don't know, 800 newtons long. So let's go ahead and write that. So if we had an 800 newton long vector, we just want to be able to add that into our unit vectors that we already have. And it's very simple to do this. You can just multiply the entire thing by 800 newtons. So what our values are for that is this is going to be, again, it's negative 458.9 in the I direction plus 655.3 in the j direction. And these are both in newtons, so make sure that you put an in on the end for the units. You never want to forget the units. So that's a look at vectors for you.